ChatGPT 4 Turbo is hot off the press and everyone is dying to know what this AI powerhouse has to offer. Let's dive in and find out. Want a custom chat model inspired by someone like Paul Graham? You can create your own by uploading their content. This is a real game changer for mentoring, advice, and deep insight. Just go to ChatGPT and you'll notice that the turbocharged version has a new interface. Hit Explore and you'll find custom GPTs created for specific tasks. Select Create GPT. On the left side window, write what you want to build. In our case, let's build a Paul Graham as a mentor model. Then, go to the Configure tab and pay close attention to the instructions section. Here, you will configure how the GPT will interact and respond to any prompt. The more specific you are, the better. In this case, I made sure that its answers were short, concrete, and full of knowledge. After you set up everything, you can test your own custom GPT on the right-hand window. Give it a try. Just imagine, personalized advice from Paul Graham every day. Not bad, right? So whether you're an entrepreneur, developer, or just curious, ChatGPT 4 Turbo opens up new possibilities. Take it for a spin and see how it can transform your world. ChatGPT 4 Turbo introduces the most significant user interface changes yet. It transforms the way you interact with AI, offering a single, unified chat interface for all your tasks. Whether you need an image from DALL-E or an answer from the web, it's all seamlessly integrated into one chat. The days of navigating between different tools are history. New prompt editing power. With ChatGPT 4 Turbo, you can edit your prompts. No more starting from scratch if you want to refine your conversation. This user-friendly feature provides an improved experience, allowing you to fine-tune your interactions with ease. Did you notice the small pen icon that shows every time you hover over your prompt? If you click on it, you'll be able to rewrite your prompt. It doesn't matter if the GPT is answering your question. It will start over and answer with the new parameters that you've given it. This is great if you're playing around with trying to find the perfect prompt for what you're looking for. There's no longer a need to extend the chat. Now, it can be done through a single text input. New Knowledge Cutoff. Say goodbye to outdated information. ChatGPT 4 Turbo has fresh knowledge through April of 2023, providing up-to-date context for your question. Input longer prompts. ChatGPT 4 Turbo supports up to 128,000 tokens, perfect for detailed prompts. It's like having a chatbot that reads 300 pages in one go. Better instruction following. Wouldn't it be nice if ChatGPT were better at paying attention to the fine detail of what you're requesting in a prompt? According to OpenAI, the new model will be a better listener. ChatGPT 4 Turbo performs better than our previous models on tasks that require a careful following of instructions, such as generating specific formats. Example, always responding in XML. This may be really useful for people who write in code with the chatbot's assistance. Cheaper prices for developers. And here's the cherry on top. ChatGPT 4 Turbo is not only more powerful, but also more budget-friendly for developers. Input tokens are 3 times cheaper than GPT-4, and output tokens are 2 times cheaper. So, what's the difference between these two awesome tools? Let's break it down side by side. ChatGPT 4 Turbo and ChatGPT 4 share some common strengths. They both offer real-time internet surfing and support various input formats, including text, images, video, and audio. Language-wise, they're on the same page, fluently speaking 25 languages. When it comes to language support, it's a tie. But now, here's where ChatGPT 4 Turbo takes the lead. Word output. ChatGPT 4 offers up to 3,000 words, while ChatGPT 4 Turbo can deliver up to 25,000 words. This is a huge step forward, giving you a lot more creative power. Malicious prompt detection. ChatGPT 4 lacks this feature, but ChatGPT 4 Turbo excels in safety and security. Customizable AI. ChatGPT 4 couldn't make the cut, but GPT-4 Turbo lets you tailor AI to your specific tasks without coding. Multiple tools in one chat. GPT-4 stays in the past, but ChatGPT-4 Turbo brings a game changer with seamless, all-in-one interactions. Extended Knowledge Cutoff. Say goodbye to outdated information with ChatGPT 4 Turbo, which keeps you updated through April of 2023. Longer prompt support. ChatGPT 4 might run out of breath, but ChatGPT 4 Turbo can handle up to 128,000 tokens. It's like having an AI that reads an entire library on the go. Better instruction following. ChatGPT 4 Turbo is an excellent listener, ideal for specific tasks like generating formats. Affordable for developers. Here's a win-win for budget-conscious developers. ChatGPT 4 Turbo is powerful and budget-friendly. But wait, there's more. OpenAI is launching the GPT Store, where your own chatbot models can shine and even earn you money. We can't wait to cover this on our channel once it comes out. So, which one's your pick? ChatGPT 4 or the new turbocharged version? Share your thoughts below.